Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford Fiesta's Bluetooth music system. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition on. Next, grab your mobile device and make sure its Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. It's a good idea to remove any old pairings from your phone's Bluetooth settings. Having your phone ready will make the pairing process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's get your phone paired. On your Fiesta's infotainment screen, navigate to the phone menu. From there, you will select Add a device or Pair new device. Your car's system will then generate and display a unique 6-digit PIN. Simultaneously, your Fiesta's name, often Ford Audio or similar, should appear on your phone's list of available Bluetooth devices. To finalize the connection, select your Fiesta's name on your phone and then carefully enter the 6-digit PIN displayed on your car's screen. You might need to confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the vehicle's display. Once successful, your Fiesta system will show a confirmation message. Finally, select Bluetooth audio as your media source to begin enjoying your favorite music wirelessly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your phone and the Fiesta's infotainment system often resolves most problems. Ensure your phone is within about 3 feet of the car's system during pairing. Remember, only one device can be actively connected for Bluetooth audio at any given time. For model-specific details, always refer to your Ford Fiesta's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.